Incremental readings. Then, final tip. Don't aim to impress others. Aim to impress yourself, your future self. That is extremely valuable. It's a massive gold nugget. It may seem like it's not a big deal. But for instance, before in this video I said that I have a rich knowledge, superficial knowledge in many areas, but you have to take my word. Also, again, if you want to check it, you have to ask me many questions for many days to more or less get a grasp of what I know and I don't, right? I'm not going to flex or try to achieve that. Like in YouTube, oh, I'm a polyglot and I'm gonna speak 20 languages fluently, and then I only say a few sentences in in each language. No, you're not going to impress anyone. First, you're not going to impress anyone. That's a fact. Then you don't want to impress anyone. Who you want to impress is your future self. Then is, oh wow, look at this. That was a mystery for many decades of my life, was a mystery. And now I know how it works. Oh wow, now I know a lot more than I was 15 years ago when I was losing weight, I was obese. And I have done so many mistakes that now is, oh man, look at this noob. Look at this, how dumb it is, this guy, making all these stupid decisions, following his common sense, right? So then, if you learn a lot, take a decision, not just the volume, but the quality, then you will realize your future self is, oh wow, look at this, this guy is a genius. But oh, turns out it's myself, just in a different stage in my life. It does make sense. I'm really impressed of myself. And that's what you will achieve with incremental reading in the long term. You will be so impressed that you will be even scared. You will achieve this stage that it works so well. And if you use it, for instance, I started in 2009. That is scary. It's so powerful. And when you have, I don't know, a family meeting, and I do remember facts and stuff that perhaps I didn't apply it for years, and in a split second comes to mind, is accessible, I have redundancy, I could even tell you this in 3 languages, even the nomenclature of those concepts, so effortlessly, and in so many different domains that if the conversation is about chemistry, biology, politics, technology, because of your superficial knowledge, that you make sense, you make the big picture and the abstraction of many different things, and put it creatively, that on the spot you can do some analogies on 2 related fields that you have never tried this, and it works on the spot, and it's so easy, natural, effortless, and pleasurable, and rewarding at the same time, that you impress your future self, and sometimes you impress your current, your present self. Even though that's not the point. The point is to learn forever, the maximum amount, the maximum efficiency, but always pleasurable. That's all for now. See you incrementally.